You build an enterprise AI agent. You launch it to your users. It handles basic questions well enough, but the moment a customer tries to do something real, the momentum stops dead. An agent limited to conversation serves a very narrow purpose. Handing users policy links and text blocks instead of solving their problem effectively turns the bot into a glorified FAQ page. Customers want action. They expect the agent to check a live order status from a database, trigger a corporate refund, or track a package in real time. Look at this standard failing chat interface. The user asks for an update, and the bot drops a generic text block saying it cannot check live systems, forcing the user to click a separate portal link. This is the execution wall. Pushing users out of the chat causes immediate platform abandonment. The user realizes the agent has no real authority, and trust in the system evaporates. To provide enterprise value, an agent must execute real-world transactions natively within the conversation. In Microsoft Copilot Studio, we bridge that gap by extending agent topics. We configure the topic to reach out and trigger a real-time action in an external system. Consider a Datum Corporation, a retail company. Their baseline requirement is simple. They need their customer service agent to fetch live order statuses for their customers. This animated diagram illustrates our first approach, using connector tools. The agent captures the customer's order number, maps that input into a Microsoft Dataverse connector node, and queries the database to return a verified status. Pre-built connectors provide an immediate, secure connection to thousands of services. These baseline tools connect your chat topics to live enterprise data lookups. A Datum's next requirement is more complex. When an order is delayed, they need the agent to validate the customer's eligibility and process a corporate refund. A single connector action cannot coordinate this. Validating an order, initiating a refund in Dynamics 365, and sending a confirmation email requires conditional logic and multiple sequential steps. Here, the diagram shows a single user input passing into an agent flow. The flow handles the entire multi-step process natively, completes the back-end actions in sequence, and returns a final success code to the topic, so the conversation can route correctly. Embedding agent flows into a topic allows the agent to manage complex business processes that require internal logic and sequential data writes. Then you hit an edge case. A datum needs to query a third-party shipping service for live tracking, but there are no pre-built connectors or open API specifications available for this carrier. For this, the authoring canvas provides the HTTP request node. This allows us to build direct, customized REST API calls entirely from scratch. We configure the node to dynamically construct an endpoint URL using the active user input. The topic takes the specific tracking number provided in the chat, appends it to the API string using PowerFacts, and fetches real-time tracking data on the fly. Mastering raw REST API calls means you are never blocked by missing native connectors. If the external system has an endpoint, your agent can reach it. Getting the connection working on the canvas is only the first step. Deploying these integrations into live production without architectural safeguards is a risk to system stability. Agent flows face a strict 100-second execution limit. If a backend system takes longer, it crashes the active session. To mitigate this, an asynchronous split returns a proxy job ID immediately, keeping the session alive to pull for the outcome without waiting. Let's look closely at this HTTP header configuration. Exposing raw API credentials on the canvas is a security vulnerability. We strictly enforce governance by using secure environment variables, keeping sensitive keys completely out of the maker's view. Defensive engineering and strict governance are mandatory. The initial setup provides the capability, but these safeguards protect the enterprise environment. The final risk lies in external backend servers. APIs go offline. When they fail, the default node behavior raises a system error, which can expose raw system data directly to the end user. We fix this by enabling continue on air on the node. We catch the specific API timeouts and route the user to a controlled fallback message, like asking them to try again later, keeping the conversation on track. You now know how to map inputs to connectors, orchestrate multi-step agent flows, manually query REST APIs, and maintain secure automated transactions. Bridging the gap between conversation and execution is the definitive standard for a production-ready enterprise agent. An agent that takes action is an agent that delivers value.